Well, many times, let me tell you the truth, Young. A lot of times I'm the voice of reason that makes them understand that's what they should do. Do I want another laundry? Sure. Do I want to rent the space at a reasonable, commensurate rate? Sure. But if they rent this to somebody for $3.50 a square foot, then they have debt service on equipment, they can't make money. So it doesn't make sense. Does that mean it's a bad business? No, it's a great business, but they need to make the decision. And you're not even the guy I need to talk to. Let me call Trisha. Thanks for the time.
Yeah, call Trisha because in terms of because right now I know what makes sense.
Goodbye.
Hello, this is Young.
Young Lee, my name is Danny. I am calling on some commercial space. I'm interested in talking rent terms and giving you a check for the next 15 years or so. There's a coin laundromat over here. That's my thing.
All right, so what are you calling me about my listing?
That is an excellent question. This is not necessarily a listing. This is commercial space, and I think it's under your umbrella. There's an existing business here and, pardon me, a previous laundromat. Do you have it listed? I'm not sure. I have two different numbers for two different
I have a
agents.
shopping plaza that I'm marketing.
Yes.
So are you interested in buying a shopping plaza?
No, I'm interested in renting one of the spots in said plaza, if it's the same plaza.
Yeah, can you give me the address?
Yeah, we're going to get it figured out, buddy.
Yes, I'm the listing agent for that shopping plaza is for sale.
Nice. The
person that's handling the lease is a different person.
Okay. Is that Trisha?
Yes. Trisha, you have to call Trisha, yes.
Sideros? Okay. Well, since I have you, I appreciate, I own some plazas myself. I also have a bunch of these laundromats in 3 states. So give me a second here. Are they actively looking for tenants or are they waiting until the sale goes through? Do you know?
Look, they are actively looking for tenants. It's just that when the laundromat tenant moved out back in January, they moved out of state. They took their machines. Mm-hmm. And that they've been trying to re-tenant as a laundromat, but trying to get that market rent.
Trust me.
Yeah, that's what
the
it
thing.
is.
You're never going to get quote market rent in Long Beach for a laundry. So they either need to lower their standards or blow the laundry out and try to put an optometrist in there. We get this a lot.
When you set out to clean up a mess, you don't just sit around and watch that mess get bigger and bigger.
And they might lower
They may do that.
Yeah.
They may do that. They may actually, because it's actually 2 units. Mm-hmm. So the owner is contemplating on maybe just renting it as 2 different units. So they may also do that too.
Well, many times, let me tell you the truth, Young. A lot of times I'm the voice of reason that makes them understand that's what they should do. Do I want another laundry? Sure. Do I want to rent the space at a reasonable, commensurate rate? Sure. But if they rent this to somebody for $3.50 a square foot, then they have debt service on equipment, they can't make money. So it doesn't make sense. Does that mean it's a bad business? No, it's a great business, but they need to make the decision. And you're not even the guy I need to talk to. Let me call Trisha. Thanks for the time.
Yeah, call Trisha because in terms of because right now I know what makes sense.
Goodbye. Wasting our time.
You beat that poor man to the draw.
Did you get all that? You understand all that?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so
I think they're looking for 22 and change.
Well, that's not too bad. We can do 20 easily. But if triple nets are another $1.50, then it's a no. And trust me, when I say this is what we can do and where we can survive in my history, they listen. And they might say, well, but you know what they won't do? They won't blow that laundry out until they sell the building, if they sell the building, because why would they? Keep the infrastructure there, don't rent it at all.
Yeah, and I've seen you work miracles, so
it's not a miracle, it's just this landlord and the potential future landlord, they know nothing about this business. And he said, they moved out of state and took their equipment. You think they're in a wagon train bringing all this equipment out of state? No, they're not. Either the bank took it out or the distributor took it out or the operator took it out of spite. Well, if I'm not going to run a laundry, nobody will. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.